In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the steps how to customize a section background. One of the most impactful design choices you can make to your ePortfolio is to change the background on your pages. Every page in your ePortfolio will have at least one section. Every section on a page can have its own background. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to customize the backgrounds in a section. A quick note: at SPS, most students will have an instructions section in their ePortfolio. The instructions are not visible to your viewers, so there's no need to edit the backgrounds in a hidden section. Be sure to edit only the viewable sections. To begin, click on the section you want to edit. Once selected, you will see a blue dotted line on the perimeter of the content section. This shows you which section you'll be editing. Next, click the gear icon on the right-hand side of the page. This opens the section settings menu on the left. You'll see section options and customize style. Under the customize style heading, you'll find the options to change either the top layer background or the bottom layer background. The top layer background is what you see in the middle, behind the main content area where your modules are. The bottom layer background encompasses both the area of the top layer background and the blank area to the right and left of the top layer, so the entire width of the section. If you just want to have one color or picture for the whole background, the easiest way is to leave the top layer untouched and only adjust the bottom layer. If you choose to have different colors or pictures for the top layer and bottom layer, note that the top layer will be on the top of whatever you have from the bottom layer, thus its name. You can select one of 49 colors in the default color palette. You can enter a custom hex code or a specific color. To learn how to find hex codes, we've created another tutorial to show you how to use custom colors in your ePortfolio. Click the link on your screen or in the description below to access this guide. In either the top or bottom layer, you can upload a picture instead of a solid color. To add an image instead of a color, click the Select Image button and upload your image. Once uploaded, you can select if you want it to be fixed so it stays in place as page scrolls, or unfixed, where it moves along with the scrolling of the page. You can also select if you want to repeat it or not. Choosing repeat will create an effect that's like tiles in the background, which is handy for smaller background images. You can also adjust both the opacity of the color and picture. This controls the visibility of the color or background. Need a little more help? Visit our ePortfolio student resource site and click on Help. Connect with the team, schedule an appointment, or register for a workshop. We're here to help.